it's no secret, the prices of everything are going up and a lot of our bank accounts are going down, which means we need to make some more money. Well, you are in luck, because in today's video, I'm going to tell you about an awesome resource where you can bring in some extra income and you can stay home and do it and allow yourself to have a little extra freedom when it comes to your schedule. So, hold on. Is that really possible? Yeah. Oh, that sounds like a dream. Girl, keep going. I'll be over here listening. Okay. So you definitely want to take note, because I'm going to give you the tea of how you can get started in this awesome opportunity, save yourself some money by not having to pay for gas, and have a flexible schedule while you're doing it. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get to it. You ready to earn some money? Okay, so this website called Liveops is incredible. So it gives you the opportunity to be your own business owner and have a flexible schedule and work from home. And I'm going to explain. Liveops agents provide services to companies in healthcare, retail, insurance, utilities, and more. This is the website. When you first come to it, this is what it will look like. Okay, so I'm going to tell you exactly where to go. So the first thing that you want to do, if you want to sign up to become an independent contractor, because that's what you would be, an independent contractor. Okay. So you wouldn't work for Liveops. You would be your own business person. So the first thing that you want to do is become an agent. So in the upper right hand corner here, you see that big orange become an agent button. You click that. So then you end up on this page. And once you get to this page, they will explain some of the benefits of you working with Liveops, as well as some things that you can expect, right? So let's go through so you can just get an idea of what to expect on this page. So here, of course, they're letting you know that you can have a flexible schedule. Okay. And also, this is what I love. You have the flexibility to be self-employed, set your own hours, and work from anywhere. Okay. Let me point out something really important. I know a lot of people will ask, is this legit? Yes, it is. And they have the Better Business Bureau A+ rating. And let me make this bigger, because right there next to that BBB rating, they have Flex Jobs Award for 2022. They're in the top 100 companies hiring remote workers. So if you wanted to know if that was legit, it is. Scrolling down, you can get an idea of the schedule. And I'm not going to read word for word, okay, because I want you guys to come to this website and check it out yourself, okay? But for those of you that don't know what an independent contractor is, boom, they will explain it. But if you want to apply, then you will go here. And the process is straightforward. They have it right here. So 3 steps. Figure out if you're eligible to apply, and then submit an application. And then let me scroll this up so you can see it. You pass a background check. You can easily make that money back with this legit way of earning money. So you got to invest in yourself. I tell y'all that all the time. Please don't dismiss earning extra money for your family because of a $24.99 background check fee. But let's move on to see what kind of opportunities they have available. So here are some virtual contact center openings. And as you can see, these are just some of the options here. I'm not going to go through everything, okay? But if you want to apply, you would click the apply now button. But remember, you have to pass the background check and everything in order to start making that money. And for those of you wondering if this is in your country, they're currently available in 35 US states. If you want to dive even deeper on this website, they have a frequently asked questions part at the bottom that I encourage you to click on if you want more details, because I know a lot of times people will ask me certain questions, and I encourage you to actually go to those websites and actually see it for yourself, because I don't want you sitting and waiting and hoping I see your comment and never getting the answer to your question when you could just click the link that's going to be below this video and just seeing for yourself. But once you go through the process and you become approved to become an independent contractor with Liveops, I want you to become successful with Liveops. So I have some tips for you. Plus, I want to tell you about this money. Now, there are a few things that I want to point out about Liveops that I think you should take note of, and this can help you big time. Now, the first thing is, being that you are working from home, you definitely want your internet to be very, very reliable. The last thing you need is that Wi-Fi going out, because you have too many devices. If you're like me, you have like 20 devices on your Wi-Fi, okay? So to avoid any interruption issues while you are working, make sure that you get an Ethernet cable. That Ethernet cable would serve as a more stable internet connection than Wi-Fi. So another tip would be to get a headset. The headset will allow you to free up your hands so that you can do other things such as type or write. And from having worked from home for many years, I can tell you a headset is really useful when you need to get up and like walk around. Sometimes you just need to get up and stretch your legs, depending on your work obligation. If you have to be on camera, then you don't want to be up walking around. So just use good judgment there. Now I know what you're thinking. You want to know a little bit more about the money. So the pay will ultimately depend on you. A lot of the opportunities on Liveops will pay a per talk minute rate, which means the more calls you do, the more money you will make. Now let me point this out. When you are working remotely through Liveops, you are an independent contractor, which means you are the one that's responsible for your own taxes, your profits and losses. You are running your own business. And also, as an independent contractor, it's going to be up to you to go in and make sure that you create invoices so that you can actually get paid. But no worries, because Liveops has a platform called OpenForce where you can go in and create those invoices so that you can get your money. Now, something that I really think you could benefit from as a contractor on Liveops would be Liveops Nation. So that's a way where you can link up with other contractors that are with Liveops, and you guys can have discussions and actually feed off of each other and encourage each other, get information, suggestions that can help you as the business owner that you now are, maybe figure out some tips or suggestions so that you can become a better contractor with Liveops, therefore building your reputation, therefore potentially leading to more money. Now, off the bat, I can tell you some things that can help build your reputation as a contractor on Liveops. And one would be, if you say that you're going to be available at a certain time, make sure you are available. Stick to your schedules. Now, again, building your reputation can mean building your bank. I gave a lot of information in this video, so I encourage you to check out Liveops for yourself, and you can get the process started right away. So I'm going to link Liveops down below this video. It's my affiliate link, and shout out to Liveops for sponsoring this video. Let's stack that money, honey. You were telling the truth. That was some really good information. I'm going to go sign up for Liveops right now. Thank you. And I hope y'all hit the like button for all the gems that she just dropped. Thanks, girl. No problem. Now, real quick, for those of you that rode with me throughout this entire video and you are still here, do me a favor and let's drop a thumbs up emoji so that I know that you made it to this point in the video and that you actually liked it. And that way I can shout you out in the comments. So you show me love, I show you love back. But with that said, please don't let the algorithm continue hating on me. Again, like she said, like I said, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, and also please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video, and share it if you care. Now, I know some of you still might want some more ways to make money, so if that's the case, then start with this video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all. I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and